gonna be late. It's cold. It's raining. I think it took me a little longer than I expected to get ready, even though all I did was grab a ton of shit because it's rainy outside and I didn't know what to bring. So yeah, I've convinced myself that it's just the second heat. It's the second heat in the marathon, and I might be the only one in it, which is fine. We'll see what happens when I get there. Just got here, 7:24. Race starts at 7:30. I need to go in and check in or whatever you're supposed to do, and then just send it, I guess.
So this is a 2-loop course, y'all. There are 4 water stops on each loop. Each water stop, I didn't have any volunteers show up this morning, so each water stop is going to be a self-service water stop. Nobody wanted to come out in the rain like you crazy people.
Like mile 9, I think. Unfortunately, I started walking. My left hamstring and knee are just on fire. Don't know what I did to my knee, but I tried to, like, I don't know, stretch out my hamstring a little bit when I got water earlier, and now it hurts a lot. So we shall see. I hope to finish just to say I finished, but yeah, this a little tough. I was running earlier, then Shaken called me, and we started chatting, and I started walking again, and then Josh and Jimmy joined the call too. It was really funny. But yeah, my knee hurts a lot. It's like mile 12 and a half, so I'm really close to being finished. Hopefully I can run the last half mile. Yeah, I don't know. The FaceTime from Shagan and Jimmy and them is actually really funny. But here goes nothing.
Let's smile though, huh? Man! How's it feel to be done?
Appreciate it.
Yeah?
I've been laying down for a while. I'm really tired. But it was a lot of fun. I think it'd be more fun if it wasn't rainy and cold. And maybe if I would have trained a little bit, it would have been a little more enjoyable. But I'm impressed that I went like 8.5, 9 miles running. And that's the longest that I've done, so that's cool. That's all I got. Got a work party later. And I'll see you later. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want peace, get the animal fries. Put her on